So now let's see how we can work around with Invert and HSL Tuner inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to add in the invert effect, I'm going to go around under the effects section right here. And once I do that, you can see that I got many effects. So under, let's say for example, channel, you can see that invert is an effect. So let me just go around and minimize out the project assets right here and bring out the invert right here on this particular footage. And then you got the invert effect as you can see right here. You can go around and blend this out with original and see how the invert actually works. On the middle point, you can see it is completely gray. That is because the invert effect cancels out everything. If I were to go around onto channels right here, then it inverts out certain channels only as well. So you can go around, go for green, go for blue right here, and so forth. And you can also invert out the hue as you can see right here, and other properties as you like as well. And just invert out the channel that you like. Let me just go around and then delete this out and then go to effects. And now apart from channel, I'm going to go for color correction. So once I go around over here, you can see that hue, saturation and luminance tuner is here. So I can go around and add this effect. So once I do that, you can see that hue effect is here. So you can go around and change around the red right here, or the orange right here, or the green as you can see right here. So as I move this around, you can see that I can change around the color of the green right here. You can go around, change around the green, change it around into yellow, and change around the aqua color just like this as well, and also change around the blue and purple right here. So similarly, you can change around the color right here as you can see by using the hue. Apart from that, you can change around the saturation of different colors. Like you can change around, let's say, only the greens over here, or only, let's say for example, the blues over here. You can decrease the amount of blue right here, or increase the amount of blue right here. Then you got luminance right here. So I mostly got green over here, so let me just go around over here and scroll down. And if I were to change around the green, you can see that only the parts where there's green, the luminance of those areas changes out right here. Just like this. So you can go around and change around the orange over here as well. That focuses on the highlights as you can see right here. So you can really make it let's say shiny just like this as well. And then you got an effect over here just like this. And this is how you can utilize the hue, saturation and luminance effect. That is the hue, saturation and luminance tuner inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.